Everyone, this is Arcee Gomes, and I'm here today to share my personal experience with the monthly beauty coaching program. I've been part of wellcure since last year, and I've attended many courses from Sunmeet ma'am. But this particular course is one of the best experiences I ever had because this is more on the practical side. You may learn the theory, but it's more about doing to see the difference. And as Sunmeet ma'am always says, what you cannot eat you should never apply to your body. This is one motto which I've learned from her, and I actually started practically doing all these things as part of this course. Earlier, even though I had read and learned from her courses, I did not make time to do it. But in this particular course, you actually get motivated to do the things because you see everyone doing it in as part of the group. Every week we get different recipes where you can do get the glowing skin using the natural ingredients from your kitchen, be it lentils, be it fruits. You don't have to spend a lot to get the glowing skin. And what can be the best experience during this festival season to get the glowing skin without any chemical treatments, using the natural ingredients what we regularly eat, and we can apply it to our skin. So I would definitely recommend this course, and I would want all of you to personally experience it firsthand from your for yourself. It's not just about skin care. It's about skin care, hair care, body care, dental care. Your entire lifestyle will change. It's about following a routine. It's not a single recipe like you use it and you get a glowing skin. It's a process where you have to regularly do things and be consistent in this process. Only then you can experience it. And this monthly beauty coaching program is one of the best place where you can experience it and get hand holded. And after this program you will also be part of the beauty club, where you will get lifetime experience, where you get constant tips and tricks from ma'am on how to constantly take care of your body, skin and health, overall health. So I would want you definitely to experience this, and welcome to the beauty club. Thank you very much.